Good morning, children. Today our session is contact and non-contact force. Contact means what? Touch. ஒரு தொடர்பில் இருக்கிறோன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, that is only. Contact, non-contact force. In all the above cases, the force is executed by touching the body. So, this type of force is called a contact force. You can understand. See all the in all above the cases. Watch. Pull and push. When you push the object, when you pull the object, your body touching to the object. So this type of force is called a contact force. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம், நம்ம ஏதாவது ஃபோர்ஸ் கொடுக்கும்போது நம்ம பாடி அது கூட டச் பண்ணுவோம். நம்ம பாடிக்கும் அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட்டுக்கு என்ன இருக்குது, ஒரு தொடர்பு இருக்குது, கான்டாக்ட் இருக்குது. தட் இஸ் only called a contact force. Can you understand? The forces is executed by touching the body. In the above cases means what? To pull or push. Pull or push. The forces is executed by touching the body. So this type of force is called a contact force. See, but sometimes in coconut tree, coconut fall down. Anyone pull or push? No. This is gravity. So this is not touching the body. Okay, it is not, the force is not executed by touching the body. This is called a non-contact force. Can you understand? This is non-contact force because no one is pulling and pushing the coconut. In gravity force, coconut fall down from the coconut tree. Is not ever touching the body. That is only called a non-contact force. Listen. The force is applied without touching the object. Such a force are known as non-contact force. See, this is. The force is applied without touching the object. Such forces are known as non-contact forces. Can you understand? Contact and non-contact. See, pull or push. The force is executed by touching the body. So these types of force is called contact force. The force is applied without touching the object. Such forces are known as non-contact forces. Okay. Forces can be classified two major types, contact and non-contact force. Forces can be classified two major types, contact and non-contact force. Okay. This wind is making flutter, a cart pulled by the bullock and contact forces. Am I right? Magnes, gravity, some example are non-contact forces. Contact forces, which one? Wind is making flutter. A cart pulled by the bullock or contact force, but touching. But magnetism means not touching. You have magnet and iron is nearby means you will give means that iron is attached to the magnet. No one is force is not giving a touching also. Gravity also. See the coconut tree. Coconut fall down from the coconut because of gravity. That is non-contact force. Okay. See. Force. Animate factors, inanimate factors. This is living things. This is non-living things. Okay. Agencies. Force. Types of on the basic contact, contact force, non-contact force. Okay. Can you understand? This only types of forces classified. Okay. What happens when we apply forces on object? I will ask some. This is forces. How many factors? Two factors. Animate factors, inanimate factors. Types of the basic contact forces, non-contact forces. Okay, what happens when we apply force in an object? What happens when we apply a force on an object? What happens when you apply forces in an object? Say you push a book on the table, the book move. Am I right? Application of force is an object result the motions from the state to state of rest. Okay, application is a force in an object result in motion from the state of rest. What happens when a batsman hit a ball? The ball is already in motion, but with the strike, the speed of the ball increases. Moreover, the direction of the ball changes. Application of the force on object result in the change in its speed and change in direction. See, application of force on a object result in a change result in a change in its speed and change its in direction also. Okay, when a application force an object is a result change in speed and change in direction also. Now, crush a balloon. Crush balloon means what? And the balloon போட்டு நம்ம இப்படி நசுக்கிறது. Apply force on rotator. Pull a rubber band. In the change shape of the object, change an application of force. See, when you crush the balloon, okay, when you crush the balloon, apply force on rotator, pull a rubber band. Pull your rubber band இழுக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்? அதோட shape also have to change. In these cases, the shape of the object change on application of force. Application of force in object results in expansion or contraction. என்ன ஆகும்? நம்ம ஃபோர்ஸை கொடுக்கும்போது ஆப்ஜெக்ட் என்ன ஆகலாம்? சுருங்கியும் திருப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? விரியும். நம்ம பலூனை போட்டு நல்லா நசுக்கும் போது இட்ஸ் contraction. Okay, you have to leave me that balloon is expansion. Can you understand? See, application on force or object result in the change in speeds and change in direction. Application of force in object result in expansion and contraction. Listen. This all for example have to read this. Next, force scan. Changes the states of body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Either change of speed or direction of both of the body. Change the shape of the body. Forces. நம்ம forces எல்லாம் கொடுக்கும்போது இதெல்லாம் நடக்கும். What are all forces scan? This. Change the state of the body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Am right? For example, book move பண்ணுலையா? Book moving. Next. Either change the speed or direction or both of the body. This is what? Hit the balloon. Hit the ball. Hit the ball. For example. Next. Change the shape of the body. For example, crush the balloon. Expand the rubber band also. It contracts and expands. This is forces have to give means forces can give to these changes. Okay, this exercise also. Can you give example for contact and non-contact forces? Forces can move from rest, then what? Rest from move. Okay, this also. Forces can what and all? Rest to motion. Next what? Direction and compress and expand. Forces, contact forces, non-contact forces. Example, kick up, football, then what? What are contact forces? Pull the cart also. Non-contact, magnet attract nails, coconut, fall from the coconut tree. Okay.